Hi guys, in today's video I want to run you through on how you can create a pen name for your KDP publishing and also for a brand. So if you're a KDP publisher, you understand more about this pen name, okay? So let me just give a brief overview on what this pen name is all about. Pen name is a fictional name that doesn't suit your real identity in real life. That is to say that you want to remain anonymous in the internet. You don't want someone to know your real name. So this website I'm going to show you is going to help you create a pen name for your KDP publishing, or if you're someone that wants to go into brands, you own your own brand, you want to own your own brand and you need a name for your brand, this website is also for you. So let's get started. Let's go to our Chrome browser and type this fake name generator. So this is the website you use to create this pen name. Okay. So the advantage of using this pen name is for you just to remain anonymous, and you should make sure that when choosing this pen name, you can record the pen name. Okay. Don't pick a pen name that is so like the spellings and you can't remember it. So make sure that when picking a pen name, your pen name is very easy for you to remember. So let's go to advanced options. Let's click. You can start from that side, but let's click on advanced option. So namesake, I will say that namesake is just an ethnicity. Okay, just pick let's say that you want to sound your name to sounds like okay, Russia. Russia's name are somehow hard. Let's go for America. Somehow hard. Let's go for Australia. Then click on OK. Now gender. This is under 50-50. So if it's under 50-50, it will be directing male or female. But if you have a specific person and audience you want to write on, or you want like your pen name to be a male, just select male. Gender, draw it to male. Okay, let it be on male. So country, if you have a specific country, or if you want to pick any country, you can pick any country of your choice, whether it's Poland, Italy, Germany. Just pick any country of your choice. Let's pick United Kingdom. Then click on OK. You can pick age. You can select age. Let's select age 19 to from 19 years to 60 years. After that, click on generate. Okay. So when you click on generate, you can see that this is the author's name. If you don't like this name, maybe it's difficult for you to pronounce, or you don't like how it sounds, you can click on generate again. Okay, you can see that this is another name. This is another name. If you don't like it, you click on generate again. It will be generating names for you. Okay, so but make sure that you select the one that you can remember. So you can see this. This is very easy. It's very easy. Let's select another one. Let's generate another one. It's very easy to, you can see that this one is also very easy to record. So you can pick this name and use it for your KDP publishing or any of our brands. Okay, so this is one of the good things about this site. So the name of this site again is fake name generator. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscription button.